Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to upload a video on TikTok from your gallery in 2020. Really easy and simple to do. So first things first, you obviously just have to head over to your TikTok application, open that up, and then once you are on this home screen here, this is where you'll see a bunch of videos just scrolling. So you just want to go to the bottom where you see the plus button and click on that. And then once you're here, you just want to click on the upload button that's just beside the red record button on the bottom right. Click on upload. Then once you're on here, you just want to click on a video that you would like to upload. And then you just want to click on next. And then it's just going to run through the video here for you. If you want to edit anything like time or anything like that, it is on the bottom corner. If you don't want to edit the timing and duration or anything like that, you just want to click on next. And then this is the page where you have options to add sounds, add effects, add text, or add stickers. So if you just want to add more text, you can click on text and type it out here in multiple letters and fonts. Or you can click on effects, and then it gives you options to add smog, gold powder, and other colored effects. You could also go over on the bottom as well and click on different effects, transitions, splits, and also timed effects like reverse and slow motion and stuff like that. So there's lots of options on here to edit. Once you are done editing this part of the video, you can just click on save. And then as well, you have stickers. So if you want to add any stickers. And then you also have sounds as well. So if you want to add any music or sounds, you can do that here as well. Once you've done all that stuff, you can click on next. And then here you could just describe your video. So just write that it's a test or whatever you want to put as the description. And then once you're done that, you just have to make sure all your settings are correct. So you want to make sure that your video is set to public if that's what you want. And you want to make sure that you allow comments and stuff like that if you want to do that as well. And if it's asking you if you want to save it to your device, so it'll just save to your camera roll if you would like as well. Anyhow, it's really easy to do. Once you're done, you just want to click on post. And now that is how you post your gallery. Really easy and simple to do. I hope I was able to help out today. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.